Hi, hello everyone. Okay, hari ni Lisa nak share tutorial on my beautiful model here, Iza, from this to this. So if you want to know, just keep on watching. I'm gonna start with the eyes first. So Lisa akan prime the eyelid sampai dekat brow bone sana tu and put foundation on top of the primer. Tu kita set sikit lightly je dengan powder. Okay, now we're gonna start with the eyeshadow. First, Lisa akan find her crease dengan this light peachy brownish color. Just build up the color slowly sikit supaya mudah lagi nak blend. Kemudian Lisa deepkan lagi the crease area pakai this pinkish color with a smaller blending brush. So you have to do this macam tambah sikit and blend, tambah lagi and blend. And kalau rasa dah macam okay, cukup dah intense ni, just ambil a big fluffy clean brush and blend it all. Lepas tu Lisa ambil the shimmer champagne color and put it all over the eyelid. Macam light-light je bagi nampak macam ada life dekat lid you. So we're gonna put the same pink color all over the bottom lash line tu. And now Lisa akan ambil Americano shade yang macam deep brown untuk definekan her lash line. Okay, Lisa ambil slanted brush and just follow her lash line. Dekat hujung mata tu Lisa macam buat a little bit like macam lift up a baby wing liner. Now curl her lashes. Lepas tu Lisa akan pakaikan mascara. This is my favourite. You know it. Kalau korang selalu tengok, korang tahulah mascara apa kan? Kemudian kita cleankan all the fallout of the eyeshadow with a wipes. Now kita start with face. Okay, Lisa pakai a very light layer of foundation untuk sekatakan kulit dia sebab kulit dia dah memang cantik. So the foundation will help to only even out her skin tone sahaja. Okay, now I'm taking this concealer. Concealer ni dia ada a little bit of like macam peach sikit. So it will help to correct her under eyes without being too orangey. To highlight her face structures a little bit, Lisa akan pakai colour fair from Tarte. Dia macam cerah sikit daripada her skin tone. So put at the center of the face and blend it out. And now let's shape her face. So basically apa yang Lisa buat is just follow her natural contour line dekat cheekbones itu. The same goes for the nose. Lisa akan follow je dia punya bentuk hidung and make sure korang blend sampai dekat hujung kening. Korang rasa macam tak cukup blended, just ambil your foundation brush and blend the edges of your contour line. Set with powder on the under eyes. Saya suka pakai puff, but all over the face saya suka pakai brush and tap it on. Sikit je powder, tapi korang make sure rata dekat seluruh muka. And we decide to put on some lashes to give more drama to the eyes sebab mata dia macam cantik. With or without? Bottom lashes, same mascara, just put it on the bottom lashes.
Nampak
I'm not gonna show all the process here. Saya akan buat another video only on eyebrows. So if you want to know, just click on that follow button and I'll see you on the next video. Kita akan terus ke blusher and blusher tu just tap on your cheekbones and then you tarik keluar, follow your contour line. Time to highlight. So I use this cream to powder type highlighter. Terus ke highlight yang nampak tapi macam tak nampak tapi ada glow. Okay, letak juga sedikit highlight dekat bridge of the nose, tip of the nose and also dekat cupid's bow. So korang letak sikit-sikit je. Kalau especially orang yang berminyak, jangan letak terlalu banyak. Now I'm going to reshape, line and fill in her lips with this nude pinkish tone lip liner and fill it in with Penelope Pink lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. And this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you do, jangan lupa untuk like, comment, share and follow Lisa on Instagram. There will be more videos coming your way soon. Thank you so much for watching.